What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous of all Grand Cru wines made in the Burgundy wine region of France. Those are Pinot Noir Grand Cru wines, some of the most expensive Pinot Noir wines in the world, some of the most expensive wines in the world, full stop. We are in the village of Vosne-Romanee, in the neighborhood of the Grand Cru sites such as Romanee-Saint-Vivant, the Romanee-Conti, La Tâche and La Grande Rue, one of the best sites in the world to make wine. So how do you go about pronouncing this Grand Cru site with the typical French pronunciation? You would say Richebourg. The G at the end of Richebourg is definitely silent, so do not say Richebourg. It'd be fine if you cannot pronounce the French R to say Richebourg. Richebourg Grand Cru wine from Vosne-Romanee. But do not pronounce the G there. If you like to learn more about all of the 33 Grand Cru vineyards and wines from Burgundy, some of the most illustrious names in the world of wine, here is a video that you may want to consider watching next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.